This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy Gordon Ramsay easy guide. Start by heating a heavy pan over medium-high heat and sear meat or bones to create fond. Deglaze the pan with stock or wine, scraping up brown bits. Simmer and reduce to concentrate flavor, then finish with butter for shine and seasoning to taste. I'll walk you through timing, consistency, and simple swaps for great results every time. A strong gravy starts with the right ingredients and timing, and I'll keep this simple and practical. Use stock with body and concentrate it by simmering, rather than relying only on flour. Add a splash of wine or sherry if you have it, then whisk in cold butter at the end for a silky finish. Season carefully, taste as you go, and adjust thickness with reduced stock or a quick slurry if needed. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and give the video a like, it really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes anywhere, with a bright, glare-free screen and long battery life, so you can follow steps without juggling a cookbook. I find it handy in the kitchen and thought I'd share. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Follow a clear sequence and your gravy will turn out great without fuss. First, sear and scrape up fond, then deglaze with stock or wine to lift those flavors. Simmer gently to reduce and concentrate taste, skimming any impurities. If needed, thicken with a small flour and water slurry, then strain for a smooth texture. Finish by whisking in cold butter off the heat and tasting to perfect salt and acidity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.